all these items in here, just all daily use items. And that feeds into the data that NGOs can use to monitor exactly how much waste is being taken out of these rivers. Fighting? This is a really amazing situation. I'm absolutely soaking wet. What I'm trying to do is really create compelling images that bring you closer to these people's lives. Good morning and welcome to day 6. My alarm just went off. It's 5:30 a.m. but we've got to get up early to go and catch the river cleanup group who are with Sungai Watch, which is the local NGO. And so this morning I'm going to accompany them and photograph their activities. And their work is really, really important because it's cleaning up a lot of the waste and the trash that's gathering in Bali's rivers. So I'm just going to finish cleaning my camera, get my equipment ready, and then we're going to head out. Okay, we're in a really rural area here in the north of Depasar. You can see all the rice fields behind me. Guys are getting ready here with the boots. Obviously they need all this protective equipment if they're going to go into the rivers, make sure that they're safe and they're ready to go. Okay, here we go. Okay, as the guys do their work, I'm just going to start taking pictures. Okay, so the guys have they've nearly finished the cleanup. So I'm just going to take a look down here. These are all the bags that they've been collecting. Well, this is the they put all the rubbish that they've collected from the barrier into these bags, and you know, all these items in here, just all daily use items. You can see there are lots of plastic bottles of various sizes, styrofoam cups, packaging. There's even football there. Being an Englishman, that resonates with me, but what doesn't resonate is this huge pile of rubbish that's just been collected from this one river. So this gives you an idea of the kind of things that they're collecting. Again, we're in a very rural little community. Let's go and have a look at the situation of this barrier. Let's go and take a look, see, check on the condition. From here, it looks okay. Can you see that over there? Got all the normal things that are trapped in there. First thing that caught my attention is another football, little beach ball down there, but it's all the normal things from the local communities. Plastic, household waste, those type of things. Let's go and take a closer look. there's another important step that I haven't told you about yet. Is when the trash is collected from the rivers, put in the bags, the guys take the bags out of the river. Then they've got to weigh them, because obviously they want to document and record exactly how much waste that they're taking out of these rivers. And so the guys are weighing them, each bag, and collecting all that data, and that feeds into the data that Sungai Watch and other NGOs can use to monitor exactly how much waste is being taken out of these rivers. Okay, on to final site that they're visiting this morning. We're not stopping this morning, so thanks for joining. Keep going, let's keep going. So I think for this situation, as long as the barrier is intact, I'm going to try to fly the drone, get a few drone shots, video and photos of the cleanup activities. Okay, so we're finished with the river cleanup. We're gonna leave these guys. We've got plenty of photos and videos now. Hopefully that'll give you a good idea about the work that they're doing and the conditions that they're working. So we're just gonna say goodbye now. Terima kasih. Thank you. Terima kasih. Terima kasih. Hati-hati. We just came across this dump truck that was just collecting trash. If you saw the video about Bali's landfill, you'd have learned that these are the kind of trucks that collect the trash from the streets of Bali, just from local shops, and then deposit them back at the landfill, which is where we photographed yesterday. If you didn't see that video, make sure to check it out. So we're just following this truck through this local community, taking a few pictures, and show you just the daily kind of collection of refuse and rubbish from all the local businesses and homes and the tourism industry. Met these guys who were collecting all the waste.
I'm Balinese.
Balinese?
Yes.
Bali's number one.
Thank you so much, thank you.
Yeah, from 3 a.m. these guys started collecting trash. And so they're collecting the waste from homes, from businesses, from hotels, collecting from everywhere.
Yeah.
And then taking to the landfill?
Yeah, after this we go to there.
It's very hard work.
Yeah.
No
good for money.
No good money?
Just $6. You think $6?
$6?
Australian dollar a day.
$6 Australian a day for collecting the rubbish. How many hours every day?
Sometimes it's 8 hours, sometimes like this, or 12 hours or something.
12 hours.
Yes.
So about $6 for a day's work in the heat, collecting rubbish and then sending it to the landfill. And that's what these guys are doing to keep the city running, basically, to clear the trash from all the booming tourism industry and sending it to the landfill. this is a really important part of the story. Terima kasih. Super strong guys. Suksama. Suksama. Suksama is thank you in Balinese. Thank you.
Please.
Fighting? This guy's so funny. He's been making these boxing signs to me all day. He looks strong. It's hard work, strong work. Okay, I think we've done enough and disturbed these guys enough, so we're going to let them get on with their work now. Okay, change of pace this afternoon on day 6. Now we're back on the coastline and we're back on the beach. After our explorations of the rivers this morning and the cleanup operations, we've now come down to the beach to have a look at how the local fishermen carry out their work and how kind of plastics in the form of plastic pollution is affecting their lives. So my aim here is to try to take some photographs of the traditional practices that are going on here. You can see that the fishermen behind me are collecting in or gathering in their catches from this afternoon. I mean, they're bringing in catches all through the day, but it's about 4 p.m. here in southern Depasar, and they're just bringing in their catches here. So I'm going to go out along the beach in this fishing community, have a look at the fishing market, and see what scenes we can find and what kind of interesting pictures we can get. Obviously here by the shoreline there's a distinctive smell of fish, but that's obviously to be expected. Here's one of the catches that have come in. You can see the fish right there. We've got a whole kind of oil can filled with the fish here. A couple of guys going past. They've just taken that to the fish market. So this is the type of fish that they've caught. This guy's just coming to take it now. Hello. So the guys use a bamboo pole, put it through the 2 hooks, then 2 strong guys to get it, and then they take it off to the fish market. So this is an example of the fish that are collected here from the shores of Donganan Beach here in Bali. You can see the fish that's been collected. And there are 2 catches throughout the day. One goes out early in the morning, they offload the fish, and then they go out for another one in the afternoon. So it's just like a non-stop process of catching the fish. And you know, I just do wonder how much role plastic plays in being ingested by the fish and just entering the food chain. But it's really interesting to see the scenes here and understand a little bit more about this industry. Alright, I'm getting splashed. I'm trying to keep my lens clean. This is a really amazing situation. I absolutely love being in this type of situation because look at these figures, the silhouettes and the light. It's absolutely beautiful, and I'm absolutely soaking wet. These guys are really friendly. See, so friendly. And I'm getting some great shots of the fish coming in. But I'm getting smattered with fish guts and salt water, plastic. But kind of loving it, and I hopefully get some good pictures. Terima kasih. Sama-sama. Terima kasih. Makasih doang. Okay, that's us pretty much done here at the beach. That was a lot of fun. I mean, getting up close to people as they work like that is really one of the great privileges of being a photojournalist and a photographer, because you've got to get close. There's no escaping it, and that's part of the job. And you know, when people are so warm and friendly like that, and welcoming, as they have been on my whole trip, it makes it a lot of fun. But what I'm trying to do is really create compelling images that bring you closer to these people's lives and pull you in through the photograph. That's what a photojournalist's job is. And once I get your attention with a photo, then I can tell you about the issues affecting these people, affecting this fishing community, the plastic issue, the pollution, and what that's doing to this community and other communities in the region. So I'm going to wrap it up there for today. We've had a busy day. Thanks for following along through the river cleanups and now here on the beach. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Watch the other videos in this series showing you all about the challenges facing Bali in the face of the plastic crisis.